How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Chalcedony. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today is a very special episode because I have brought back yet again one of my most popular floor plans, but I have made my revisions to this model that I feel is working best for all of you that have reached out to me in the past few weeks saying, Mr. Tiny, still bring a model that is aesthetically pleasing and offer the finishes that you are known for, but is aesthetically pleasing on my pockets, in my bank account. Well, guess what? I've done so today with the model by the name of the Chalcedony. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know I have featured the Chalcedony several times in the past. Whether it was a Chalcedony model with a porch, without a porch, cabin style, modern, farmhouse, the options are endless. Now today, the never before done feature that I've featured in this model is no loft. I've added no loft in this model, so that way all of you that are big fans of the park models but have no need for the loft, you get the tall ceilings from front to back, but I've added a very special feature where those stairs normally go in the Chalcedony that I'll showcase in a moment. But starting here with the Chalcedony, this model is 11 feet wide, 35 feet long, and this model is on sale today for $79K. Yes, $79,000. You'll get everything that I'm going to showcase today besides furniture and decor. So that is today. This is October of 2022. So please keep in mind, I can't tell you what it's going to be next week or next year, but today is $79K. Starting here in the living area, you'll see what is a fan favorite about the Chalcedony is with you not choosing to add a front porch on this model like we've chosen to do in this model right now. You get the great box bay, but you get to utilize all of this area for living space. So that way, with the side entry on the home, you can add a porch on site after delivery. But without the door right here, gives you so much more space to work with. And you can see, we've got a small couch here, tiny accessible. Now we also have space for a table. This is something you could easily do a sectional, a couple of recliners. You have those options as well. Of course, we're going to add the clear story window here to bring in the natural light. We've also got the blinds and glass front door. Got the blinds closed because we want to keep it private in here right now because Mr. Tiny's putting in work. So you can see right here, also with the additional space with this box bay that you'll see, it actually bumps out right here around 6 inches. So that is going to give you ample space and character to add the 2 windows that we've done so right here, as well as the Pentazoid window up top. So from the outside or the inside, this has the curb appeal that we're known for and that you love. So that works great on this model. And also, you have the option, if you did not want to do the box bay, you can do the traditional bay window that is angled. It's more of a U-shaped end of the home. We chose to do the box bay in this model just to showcase a different feature in the Chalcedony today. Now you can also see we've got a cherry ceiling fan centered right there. We've got can lights going throughout the home. Right across from the living area, you've got the entertainment center right here where already built in. You have 3 doors on one side, 3 doors on the opposite side, and additional storage in the center. What this does is give you great options without you having to, again, break the bank and go out and try to find a TV console, the additional furniture, etc. We've got it built in right here, ready to go. So you put your TV right here on the stand, or you can even mount it on the wall, and you are ready to go. So this is a great feature that we have. We've got nickel bar pulls going throughout the home, so this is a great option to have. Also, up top, you'll see I've thrown in the dual transom windows, again, bringing in natural light. Anytime you're going to open the space up, it's going to make it feel so much larger than 399 square feet. And since we're not including the loft, why not take advantage and still raise that roof line and add in the natural light? Speaking of not choosing to go with the loft, this is the surprise that I've added. Traditionally, in the Chalcedony, this is where your kitchen counter goes, and then right over here, your stairs start to go up into the loft. Well, as you can see here, there's a door. Door number one. What did I choose to do? Give more storage for you. So right in here, this is what you've been asking for. A storage closet, a coat closet. This could be a great space for your mops, for your Swiffers, your vacuums, whatever, your umbrellas, whatever you need. You've got the option to place it and store it in a 399 square foot tiny home. So rather than walling that off and not utilizing that space in any way, chose to add a door on it and give you additional storage with the closet. I think that's going to be a great feature for plenty of my clients out there today. And then this takes from the living area into the open concept that works into the kitchen. And as you can see here, I love the angled countertop that comes to a point. You can also see we're not wasting any space because we've got the cabinets there. So that way you can store everything that you need to. The additional space makes it easy. So that way if you needed to add some stools underneath, if you needed a place to sit and eat, you could do so there. And then this wraps around. We have the spring carnival countertop going around. We have the mosaic backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet. And you can see instead of us just squaring this off, we've got to let it flow. We got to let it flow to the wall. So we angle this around so that way you've got all the space you need. And keep in mind, it is adjustable shelving. So no matter the height, Mr. Tiny's done it right. And also, we've got full-size appliances. If you're a new viewer on this channel and not subscribed like you should be, do so right now. But if you're an OG subscriber, you know, hey, this is not these little bitty tiny homes that you're used to. We know people need to live in these. People need to be comfortable in tiny home living. So we're giving you full-size appliances in a tiny home. And again, you've got a smooth top electric stove. You can go to gas, shall you choose to. You've got the microwave up top built in, and then right across from that, you're going to have the one basin stainless steel farm sink. We've got the detachable sprayer in black, looks great. We've got the cutting board, the drainers, everything here that you need. Also, additional cabinetry down below, your drawers. We kept the mosaic backsplash going over here, going up to the bottom of the cabinets. And you can just see this window right here, again, bringing in natural light. You notice anywhere throughout the home, we're usually bringing in some natural light just to make it feel so much larger than 399 square feet. We bring it on down. You'll see here, of course, we've got the black fridge, standard style, meaning freezer up top, fridge down below. And let's follow right in here, and we will take it right into the restroom. And you'll see here we've got a great space, plenty of countertop for you to get ready. Also, you can see that spring carnival countertop continued, and then you've seen one toilet, you've seen them all, but follow me into the walk-in tile shower. We've got 48-inch tile shower here. It's Carrera tile in a vertical pattern with white grout. So this is lovely. Again, with choosing not to add the loft, look at the height you got in here. You got plenty of ceiling height, so no matter what height you are, anyone can get in here and live tiny in the Chalcedony with no loft. Also, you got the faucet right here. You got the can light up top. And then follow me back out and we will make our way to the hallway of the Chalcedony. See right over here, we keep it prepped, ready to go for you for a stackable washing machine and dryer. You can do front load, top load, whatever you like. You've got the capability to do so and give you plenty of space up top that you could even add additional shelving and things like that, shall you choose to. But if you don't want to worry about that, Mr. Tiny's already taken care of it for you. Look right across. I've got built-in desk right here, a little small desk. You can put a laptop up there, you can put a monitor, sit down, get a chair. You're good to go there. Also additional cabinetry up top. Again, adjustable shelving. I mean, this can work for a variety of purposes. If you got little kid doing their homework, we good to go right there. If you got your grandson, granddaughter over, hey, they can still get their work done at grandma and grandpa's house. You can get it done right here. So it adds a variety of purposes in the 399 square foot park model tiny home. Again, why not utilize the space that is available to you and take that 399 square feet to the max? Now follow me right here into the main bedroom of the home, and I should say your bedroom of the home. And this right here is going to give you the space that you could go even up to a queen size bed. I say queen size because yes, you could go king, but then you're pushing it. You're turning it into a bedroom at that point. But a queen size bed fits in here, will work, and still give you plenty of walkability in the home. We've also got your electrical panel box right here for you for ease of access. It is 100 amp electric service that would need to be hardwired into your electric pole on your property. However, if you were to order it and you needed to go into a park, a tiny home community or RV park that only had 50 amps, we could do 50 amp as well. So that is an option. We give you 100 amps because we would rather you have too much than not enough. So that way you blow drying your hair, got the microwave going, and your dryer going at the same time, you're not blowing a circuit. We got you covered here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Again, we're the professionals and we are here to serve you. Now right here off the back, again, I told you natural light because we got to do it right. We got the window here off the rear. We got another cherry ceiling fan center, 4 can lights in here. And then we have the bifold cabinet, the closet doors on each side. We have 3 dresser drawers there in the center. We have the spring carnival countertop continuing here in the bedroom. We've got the cutout so that way if you wanted to, you could add another TV here. You can even do decor. I know a lot of clients say, they're saying, Mr. Tiny, I don't want a TV in my bedroom. I want the TV in the main area. Fine, you could add additional storage here. You could add shelving. Those are options for you. And then of course, bifold door here opens up and you've got the shelf and rod in here as well. So that gives you plenty of space to store your clothes, your shoes, all your belongings there. And then let's follow me back out to the main area. So that way I can showcase to you how great this model is. Again, it's 399 square feet of living in the Chalcedony with no loft. So look at this. You got all of this space and opportunity with the ceiling height here in the Chalcedony. Again, this model is 11 feet wide, 35 feet long. It's on sale today for $79K, $79,000, and you've got a new home that you have as an asset, guys. Let's keep that in mind. You're not paying rent. You're not paying someone else's mortgage. You're paying yours. And then a lot of times people are selling their main home, taking the funds, taking their equity, paying cash for this. And guess what? There's no better feeling than being financially free. And we're trying to make it possible for you right here with the Chalcedony with no loft at $79K. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the Chalcedony with no loft and the new feature of the added closet, let me know right now by hitting that like button. Hit that thumbs up and also that notification bell. That helps me a lot and also helps spread the word that this is the content that you love and other people need to pay attention as well. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Chalcedony with no loft was. Was it having the additional closet? Was it having the angled countertop in the kitchen? Was it the built-in entertainment center here? Let me know down in the comments so that way I know in future homes and future videos what you like so I can keep it coming each and every week. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you know that I sell 399 square foot tiny homes all the way up to 2,500 square foot multi-section homes. So I've got something and everything in between. Same quality, same great name that you know and love with Recreational Resort Cottages, just fit to be at your needs. So guys, this is a great opportunity, and if you want to contact me directly, you know what to do. Run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I am selling this Chalcedony as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny, Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.